Now let us start another exercise in which length of three sides of a quadrilateral and two diagonals are given. So let us start. See here, first one is given quadrilateral LIFT lift whose length of a sides are also given. So first you draw this kind of rough sketch and see whether length of LI given. LI, yes, 4 centimeter. Then IF given, yes, 3 centimeter, write it over here. Then TL, so write it over here, TL. TF is not given. LF is diagonal, length of one diagonal, that is 4.5, and IT, that is 4 centimeter, it is given. So let us start. Let's see. Now first you need to draw this base of 4 centimeter. So see, 4 centimeter you have to take in this way. You have to construct this base, write it over here. Step, draw LI of 4 centimeter. This kind of step you have to write. Then first and foremost thing is to get this two side, if it is possible, if the length is given, yes, it is given. So this side is of 2.5 and this side is of 3 centimeter. So first take 2.5 centimeter. So how to take? Place your scale in this way. Put your compass on 2.5 and try to adjust this pencil and place it on L. Place it on L and try to construct this arc. So write down step over here with center L. Draw an arc with radius 2.5. Radius we had taken 2.5. Now with center I you have to construct this 3 centimeter with center I. So how to take 3 centimeter? Place it over here and try to adjust your pencil in this way. Now place it on I and try to construct this arc. So write down step over here. With center I, draw an arc with radius 3 centimeter. After doing such, now here or here there are two connectivity points. So because length of two diagonals are given, previously there was 4 side and 1 diagonal. Now here in this 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So either you draw this diagonal first or you can construct this diagonal first. So anyway, so what I will do, I will try to construct this diagonal first. So for that the length of this diagonal is 4.5 centimeter given. So what I will do, I will take 4.5 centimeter with my compass. Now 4.5 centimeter, place your scale in this way and try to adjust your compass. See 4.5, how to adjust in this way. Now after doing such, place it on L and try to draw this arc which will intersect the previous arc at F. So write down a step with center L, draw an arc with radius 4.5 centimeter. We had taken the radius of 4.5 centimeter with our compass. Then intersecting the previous arc, it get intersect the previous arc at point F. Now here we got connecting point we got. So we can now write join and all. Here also you can write, or at the end also you can write draw this line and all. Now with center I, try to construct this diagonal which is of 4 centimeter. Now take 4 centimeter with your scale. Now place it on I and intersect the previous arc at T. Now after doing such, write down the statement first. With center I, draw an arc with radius 4 centimeter. We had taken 4 centimeter. Intersecting the previous arc, it intersect the previous arc at point T. Now everything is done. We got connecting point, 2 connecting point. Now one by one, whatever is left you write down. First you need to draw all the line segment. First LT, then IT, then LF, then FI or IF, then TF. This is how we got our quadrilateral LIFT. Let us start sum number 2, quadrilateral GOLD. You have to construct whose sides are given. So first you have to draw rough sketch and find whether all sides given or not. So G GOLD. I had constructed. I have started from here. GOLD. Length of LD is given 5 centimeter. OL 7.5 centimeter. GD 6 centimeter. And GL 6 centimeter. And OD 10 centimeter. That means what? A length of 3 side and 2 diagonals are given. Now let us start. Dear student, always try to take the base whose value are given. Here, if I had start from here GOLD, but length of GO is not given. That's why I had started from here GOLD, or you can start from here also GOLD. Now draw as per the rule. You have to draw this. You have to construct this base first of 5 centimeter. So construct this base of 5 centimeter. See here, base. It's very easy. Draw one line segment of 5 centimeter and write it over here. Draw line segment LD of 5 centimeter. Then as per the rule, we have to construct this arc of both the side. This is of 7.5 centimeter. So place your scale in this way, and with the help of compass, place it on 7.5. This point will be on 7.5, and try to adjust this pencil and try to take 7.5 centimeter and place it on L and try to draw this arc. You have to construct this arc. By doing such, now you have to write down step. We center L, draw an arc with radius 7.5 centimeter. We had taken 7.5 radius and we had constructed this arc. Now with center D, we have to construct another arc of 6 centimeter. So place your scale over here, and this pointer should be on 6 centimeter, and try to adjust your pencil till here. Then place it on D and draw this arc. Try to draw this arc. By doing such, write down statement over here. With center D, draw an arc with radius 6 centimeter. Then after that, we need to have one connecting point over here and one connecting point over here, because length of both the diagonals are given. So first, what we'll do, we'll try to take we try to draw this 10 centimeter first. Try to take this 10 centimeter first. So 10 centimeter. How to take 10 centimeter? Place it on 10 and try to take 10 centimeter. See here, dear student. Now, because length of OD is given 10 centimeter, so you have to place it on D. And place it on D. After taking 10 centimeter, try to construct this arc. It will intersect the previous arc at point O. So write down over here. We center D, draw another arc of radius 10 centimeter. We had taken radius of 10 centimeter with this compass, and intersecting the previous arc at point D. Then place it on L and try to construct this diagonal, which is of 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter means you have to place it your compass in this way, 6 centimeter, and try to adjust this pencil and keep it on L. Try to construct this 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter you have to construct. You have to construct this 6 centimeter. It will intersect the previous arc at point G. Now dear student, we got two connecting point, one over here and one over here. First, now start connecting all point and try to draw all the line segment whatever is left. Now for this you write down the statement. With center L, draw another arc of radius 6 centimeter. We had drawn another arc of 6 centimeter. intersecting the previous arc at point G, intersecting the previous point at join. Now join all the line segment LD, LG, GD, OG, LO and OD. This is how we got GOLD is the required quadrilateral. Now let us start another sum number 3rd. You have to construct rhombus BEND whose length of two sides given, that is BN 5.6 and DE 6.5. Now after drawing rough sketch, we can able to find whether it is the length of side or length of diagonal. So through this rough sketch BE and D, I found that BN and DE are the diagonal. So let us start now. First you need to draw this base. Draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter, name it DE. So you know how to construct this line segment DE. So place your scale and take a measure of 6.5 and draw such line segment. After constructing such, try to write down the step, that is draw line segment DE equals to 6.5 centimeter. Now after doing such, try to draw perpendicular bisector, means this straight line. We know that in rhombus and square the diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree. It is known as perpendicular bisector. So how to construct this straight line which curved this base at 90 degree? So you have to take one length with this compass and one time you have to place it on D and try to draw an arc to the upper half plane of DE and to the lower half plane of DE. Then with the same length place it on E and try to cut the previous arc. Don't change the length, so that now both intersect at point X and Y, and try to draw this line which intersect this point line segment DE at point A. Try to write down, draw perpendicular bisector of DE. We had drawn the perpendicular bisector of DE intersecting each other at point X and Y, intersecting each other at X and Y. Join line XY intersecting DE at point A. After doing such, now we don't have this connecting point, and the length of the another diagonal is 5.6. So whole length is 5.6, so half length will be 2.8. So half of 5.6 is 2.8. So what I will do, I will try to take measure 2.8 with my compass, and from the center try to take 2.8 measure to the upper half plane and the lower half plane, so that 2.8 and 2.8 whole give 5.6. So try to, this is my length, whole length is 5.6 and half length is 2.8. So now I got a connecting point. Now try to join all the line segment. So after taking 2.8, after putting the arc, name it as N and here name it as B. Try to connect DN, NE, BE and DB. This is our required quadrilateral.